In this video, I am going to show you how to add a custom domain to your system.io account. This is my custom domain which I purchased from Namecheap. Now I want to add this domain to my system.io account so that I can use it for all of my sales funnels instead of using this free subdomain. To do this, we are going to follow two simple steps. Step 1. Log into your domain provider cPanel. To log in, just open a new browser tab, write down your domain name, after that type /cPanel. This will automatically redirect you to the cPanel login page. Now enter the username and password that you received after purchasing the domain. Once done, click login and you will be redirected to the cPanel dashboard. If you are using another domain provider, this interface might look a little different, but the process will remain the same. So we have successfully logged in to the cPanel. Now let's move on to the step 2, which is adding the domain to our system.io account. To do this, open your system.io dashboard, then click on your profile picture, go to settings, and in the settings area, click on custom domains. Here you will see the free subdomain provided by system.io. To add your custom domain, click add domain and write down your domain name, then click save. You will now get two CNAME records. Next, we need to add these two CNAME records to our DNS zone editor so that our domain will be connected to our system.io account. Go back to the cPanel and open the zone editor from the domain section. If you don't see it, just search for zone editor in the search bar, open it, click manage and you will see an interface like this. Now we need to add the two CNAME records over here. To add them, click add record and set the type to CNAME. Come over here and copy it and paste it over here. Now again come here, copy this part and paste it over here and click save record. Now again click add record, set the type to CNAME, come over here and copy it and paste it over here. Now again come over here, copy this part and paste it over here and click save record. Both CNAME records have now been successfully added to the Namecheap DNS zone editor. Back in system.io, you will see that the domain status is showing as pending validation. Just wait a few hours and the domain will be connected to our system.io platform. If you face any errors while adding your CNAME records to the DNS zone editor, it might be because there is already a CNAME record added previously. In that case, delete the old record and then add the two system.io records. That should resolve the issue. If you still encounter any problems, feel free to contact me. I will be happy to help you resolve the issue. I am reloading this page after 2 hours later and see my domain is now ready to use. In your case, it can be little faster or little slower because it can be take 24 to 48 hours before the DNS records are fully propagated. Now click here and mark the domain as default. This domain will become your default domain for all of your sales funnels, and you can also replace your previous domain with this domain from the domain drop-down section. That's it for this particular video. Thank you for watching and keep watching our videos.